Exceptional family stay. Our family had an exceptional stay at this property. The location was fantastic, offering easy access to nearby attractions. The cleanliness of the place was top-notch, and the staff were friendly and accommodating. The facilities provided everything we needed, making our stay comfortable and enjoyable. Second time staying here. I'm very happy to be able to book this apartment for the second time. Room was spacious for my kids to run around. Upon check-in, room was neat and tidy. No funny smell. Aircon, fans, water heater, fridge, microwave all working well. Good view at the balcony. Apartment got security and private parking lot for car. The thing I like best is the self-check-in and check-out process. No need to meet any staff to collect key or return key, which some homestays has. If you drive, can go nearby Austin Heights Waterpark, AEON, Top-End Shopping Mall, night food trucks if you are in for a nice supper. If not driving, grab car also easily available for booking through app. The host, Ms. Melissa, was also great and friendly. WhatsApp messages was being replied promptly. Overall stay was fantastic and highly recommended. Best place is clean, owner is extremely friendly. Exceptional, very lucky to be able to book this awesome place during CNY weekends. The host was friendly and professional. Check-in instructions given was clear and easy to follow. The place itself is clean and tidy. The blue color theme sailing concept sets a calming and relaxing atmosphere. Basic amenities were there: microwave, electric stove, water heater, aircon plus ceiling fan, etc. Good landscape view out of the balcony glass door, which we got to see clear, and nice fireworks on CNY. For those who drove car, got dedicated parking lot. Overall a very good experience. Highly recommended. Exceptional, very clean. Nice theme, parking and pool available. Nice unit. The unit is so cozy and clean. Suits for 4 adults. The picture shown here is the same in reality. Homeowner is so kind, thoughtful and helpful. She guided and gave us direction and videos explaining the check-in process and everything. Hustle-free, smiley face emoji. We really satisfied and enjoyed our holiday here. Thank you for the great service, smiling face with hearts emoji. Definitely gonna book this unit again, thumbs up emoji. Good facilities and very nice and helpful owner. Had a very good time. Highly recommended. Clear instruction given on how to check in and how to check out.